I'm Maisie, I'm the Projects Director at the Rebuild site CIC. This is our outside yard area where we store all our bricks and blocks and lintels and pipework. It's a little bit higgledy-piggledy at the moment because our forklift went kaput a couple of months ago. It's why it's so important and amazing for us to have the opportunity to work with Jungheinrich.
Hi, I'm Jade Cartwright. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for the North West. I'm here today supporting Rebuild by donating a refurbished forklift.
A new forklift is just going to make a huge difference for us, both in terms of being organised but also helping our customers see what we've got.
Like the Rebuild site who repurpose surplus items from building sites, we refurbish our used equipment forklifts to give them a second life.
It's going to be absolutely life-changing, from our time management to even just our physical lifting abilities. It's going to make a massive difference.
By donating this truck, we're not only giving our truck an extended life, we're also helping support sustainable community development. We're thrilled to be here today to be helping the Rebuild site, as there's a natural synergy between us.
As part of the Communities programme, we want to engage with local people and get them involved in what we do. This new forklift truck is going to be amazing in supporting the Communities programme. It's going to be a great help and we're very thankful to have it.
Together, we're not only helping where it's needed, but we're also helping in a way that's good for our environment.